I'm Reena Catherine, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, working in Dr. S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the types of indirect taxes. In indirect taxes, there are 7 types. First one is service tax, second one excise duty, third one stamp duty, fourth one value added tax, fifth one custom duty, sixth one entertainment tax, and seventh one goods and services tax. Let's see about one by one. First one is service tax. A service tax can be defined as a type of indirect tax that you are responsible for paying to the government when you consume a taxable service offered by numerous service providers, for instance, restaurants, hotels, travel agents, cab services, cable providers, etc. The consumer pays the services charged to the service provider who pays the tax to the government. Second one, excise duty. Excise duty or excise tax is a short of indirect tax payable on the goods produced within the country. It can be termed as a tax on the sale of goods. It has been renamed and is now known as central value added tax. For example, taxes are imposed on selling things like tires, airline tickets, fuel, and heavy trucks. Then third one is stamp duty. Stamp duty is imposed on transferring immortile possessions located within the state levied by the state government and may differ in rates. It is also applicable to all legal documents. In older times, physical revenue stamps were meant to be imposed upon the document to notify that the stamp duty was paid. Next one is VAT, that means value added tax. The value added tax or VAT is a flat tax levied on a commodity. It is similar to the sales tax, except that in the sales tax the entire amount owed to the government is paid by the shopper at the time of sale. On the contrary, when the transaction takes place with VAT, differ parts of the tax are paid by different parties. Next one is custom duty. Custom duty, often called import duty, is a key component of a country trade policies influencing the flow of goods across its borders. As an indirect tax imposed on imports and exports, customs duty served economic and regulatory purposes. Next one is entertainment tax. Entertainment tax is a tax charged on all sources of entertainment, such as feature films that get a wide release in the country, amusement parks, sports activities, primary commercial exhibits, and big parties and celebrations. Next one is GST. GST means goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is a tax assessed on the supply of goods and services from manufacturing to buying. It is of 3 kinds: SGST, CGST, and IGST. SGST for State Goods and Services Tax. CGST was Central Goods and Services Tax. IGST for Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Indirect taxes come in various forms, each with its own impact on consumers, business, and the economy. One common type is the sales tax, which is applied to the sale of goods and services at the point of purchase. This tax is usually a percentage of the total price and can vary based on the jurisdiction and the type of goods or services being sold. Another prevalent form of indirect tax is the value added tax, which is levied at each stage of production and distribution. Unlike sales tax, VAT is calculated based on the value added to a product or services at each stage of its production, with businesses responsible for remitting the tax to the government. VAT is widely used around the world and is known for its efficiency in generating revenue while minimizing tax cascading, where taxes are applied repeatedly on the same product at different stages of production. Thank you.